Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing safe and are at your home. So in this video I'm going to do a haul again. I have ordered so much product from Nykaa and some product from uh, purple.com as well. So I am really excited. So let's get into the video. Oh, before getting ahead into the video, if you could please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do give me your feedback in the comment section where I can improve. I'm trying to improve my video quality, so I hope you will like it. Enjoy this video. Do subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and let's get into the video. So now I forgot to show you this pretty blush in my previous Amazon haul, so I'm showing you here. This is such a pretty blush. I watch Arnakshi like a lot, so she recommended this cream blush, and since I have dry skin, I'll always prefer cream products over powder. So look at the shade. It is in the shade nude. Now don't like blushes which are not nude. Look at the shade, such a pretty pinky brownie nude. And I like that it is not pigmented at all, and it should not be. Blushes should have like medium pigmentation, otherwise they will make you look like a clown pretty quickly, like in seconds. Okay, you will have the clown cheeks. And so I really like that blush, such a pretty blush. So that is by the brand Chariot New York, which I have never heard of this brand. Because of her I came to know about this brand, and I'm looking forward to use this in a video, and I will tell you how I feel about it. Look at the shade, such a pretty pinky nude. Really like it. Now I have this is the Miss Claire Fake It Concealer. Since I bought the foundation, I was like, let's just try this as well, and this is just 250 rupees. But on Nykaa sale, that was like Independence Day sale. Yeah, there is always a sale on makeup, you guys. You don't have to pay the MRP for makeup at all. They are always so discounted, so never pay full price. Only paid 200 rupees, yeah, for this one, and I cannot open it. Okay, I finally was able to open it. It was a task, you guys. I was not able to open it. And this is come with this beautiful sleek tube, and we have a doe foot applicator, the usual packaging, nothing fancy. And here is the swatch. Wow, look at the pigment. And I think it's in the warm undertone. It has a smell, okay, which I don't mind. And if it's on my lips, I mind fragrance, but I don't mind it. Look at the shade. Yeah, I think this will suit me. Wow, it's really blending so easily. I'm looking forward to try it with the foundation because it's from the same brand, so I think this will work together pretty good. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, now I found that Blue Heaven concealer that was like really down in my box where I kept my makeup products. So I will quickly grab the box. Yeah, so this comes with this outer box, and what it says flawless liquid concealer, full coverage, super blendable, waterproof, lightweight, all these claims, and we'll test this out. First of all, this is like your packaging, the pack takeover concealer, but this has 17 ml. I have never seen concealer. I think the Too Faced one is also a giant concealer, but this has just and this was again 88 rupees on discount, which is insane, you guys. And if this works, I will be so happy. And this is in the shade Honey, so I will swatch it. Okay, I don't know, full coverage, I don't know what that, we'll test this. But I think it has a yellow undertone, which is good. I just guessed it. There was not many swatches of this concealer, and I just guessed my shade, and I bought the shade Honey in the hopes like it's honey, it must be dark, for me. And wow, it is just blending so easily. I was like, this may be patchy or blotchy since it is a 80 rupees concealer, plus it has 17 ml. 17 ml, seriously. Let me just check how much the Miss Clear one has. Okay, 5 ml. So this has 5 ml, this has 18 ml, 17 ml. So I'm like so happy. If this works, I will have another good concealer under 100 rupees. Yay! I'm so happy, you guys. Whenever I found affordable, budget friendly makeup, I am like so happy because it's easier to purchase it now. That's why. So now we have this Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Weightless Liquid Matte, yeah, whatever. So this is in the shade 11, and look at the shade. It's a pinky mauvey, very nude shade. It's very nude for me, so I mix it with another shade. I think I've shown you this one. I have showed you this one. uh, so this is in the shade 7. And where to swatch it? Okay, this is a deep plum. The reason I bought it because I like purple, so I thought this I will use it as eyeliner. But these two, the concoction of these two looks so pretty on my lips. I really like it. And these were like 115 rupees, and this I've got from a local shop because on online they were like out of stock. So yeah. Okay, then last and the most exciting product, you guys. I was so excited for this one. This is the Inside Cosmetics concealer palette. Yeah, it's a whole palette for just rupees 190, which is insane, you guys. Drugstore is these days killing, you guys, and Inside Cosmetics has so awesome. Look at it. And I've heard so many great reviews that this is really creamy and really blendable. Look at this. This has a yellow shade which will be really good for brightening, and this will, I think, be my wow, so creamy, you guys. Oh my god, it is so creamy. Where to swatch it? Oh, so good, you guys. Drugstore these days is making so good product. Look at it. And if you have this one, you don't need anything, I think. You have your concealer, your highlighting concealer. This is like a pink shade. I don't know if I will use this. And you have a orange color corrector. Ooh. And you have a bronzer and a contour. You can see the shift. This one is warm, this one is cool. So I think you have everything in one palette. Look at that. Can you guys see? It has a pink undertone. Whoa. So I think if you have this, you don't need anything else. You have your color corrector, your highlighting concealer, your skin tone concealer, bronzer, contour, only this shade. Where you will use this shade? This is like a pink beige kind of shade, so not that useful. You can always use a lighter concealer on your eyelids to give your eyeshadow a pop. If you buy a wrong shade of concealer, you can do that. Don't need to throw the product. So wow, you guys, that concealer palette is just 190 rupees, and I didn't get any discount, but I think it's okay because the it has everything like the color corrector, the concealer, the highlighting concealer, the contour, the bronzer. So I think if you have one palette, you're sorted. Wow, that one is the star of the show in my opinion, because if you are someone who is who a beginner, just want to start out, that one palette will sort out everything. We'll test that out in the one brand makeup tutorial, so stay tuned. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you do like, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, like this video, share with your friends, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.